chapter name is Sei dir Deutsche. Lektion 5. Sei dir Deutsche. Lesson 5. Are you all German? Leute treffen. It means people meet. Come on, friends. Let us talk to these people. The more you talk to people, the better you get to know them. Here you can see a question is asked, Sei dir Deutsche? It means, are you all German? They are answering, Ja, wir sind Deutsche. Yeah, we are Germans. In this part, bist du Deutsche? The girl is saying, Nein, ich bin Inderin. Are you a German? She is saying, No, I am an Indian. In this part, bist du Inder? Are you an Indian? The boy is saying, Nein, ich bin Deutscher. No, I am German. In this page, it's given at the top nationality, that is German, and an Indian. In masculine, for masculine, the nationality will be Deutscher for German, and for feminine Deutsche, and the country, as you all know, we say Germany as Deutschland in German. In the second part, it's given for Indian. The nationality is an Indian. For masculine, Inder, and for feminine, Inderin. And India we say as Indian in German. Coming to the sein part, this is the conjugation. As I previously also explained in my video how to conjugate a verb sein, the same thing is given here. As we say I am Nilesh, so it's given here ich bin, and I will add my name Nilesh. If I want to say I am Nilesh, ich bin Nilesh. Again, you are, it is friendly form. Du bist is the friendly form. We say tum, or for same age groups and for friends, you are. Suppose I am taking an example. You are Raj. So we will say it in German as Du bist Raj. Here it's given ist, es ist, sie. It is for he is, it is, and she is. Third person. He is Ram. We will translate it as ist Ram in German, and so on. Sie sind. Again here you can see the sie sind. Sie sind is the formal way. You will say it, you say as in Hindi आप लोग कहते हो आप. You say आप. Same thing is here in German. You are as Sie sind. Coming to the plural form, it was the singular form. Coming to the plural part, you say we are. We are is as translated as wir sind. You all are, ihr seid. We did it in previous page. They are for masculine and feminine for many peoples, but plural form, it's the plural form sie sind. And for many adults also you will use same as sie sind. It was used here. Same you will use sie sind. You are as several adults. Let us learn a few adjectives. Groß, groß, big or tall. Klein, klein, small. Dick, dick, fat. Schlank, schlank, slim. Gut, gut, good. Schlecht, schlecht, bad. Schön, schön, beautiful. Nett, nett, nice. Hässlich, hässlich, ugly. Langweilig, langweilig, boring. Interessant, interessant, interesting. Leicht, leicht, easy or light. Schwer, schwer, difficult or heavy. Dumm, dumb, stupid, intelligent, intelligent, intelligent. Foul, foul, lazy. Fleischish, fleischish, hardworking. Streng, streng, strict. Lieb, lieb, loving, affectionate or nice. Hawk, hawk, high. Nidrish, nidrish, it is low. Okay, now we'll be doing the fill in the blanks with the verb sein. Okay, you all have learned the conjugation of sein. We will use it here. The first part is ich dash klein. The answer will be ich bin klein, है ना. Ich bin klein. Du dash schlank. Du bist schlank. Third one is dash dick. So the conjugation of sein with is ist. Erika dash groß. Erika ist groß. Erika is a girl, so the conjugation here will be of she form, that is sie in German. So Erika ist groß. Ist. Ear dash dumm. The conjugation of ear, sorry, sein with ear will be seid. Seid, seid. Wir dash fleischisch. Wir is plural form, so the conjugation will be sind. Sind. Seventh one, Erich und Kai dash lieb. Since there are two persons, that is Erich und Kai, so plural form. So plural form conjugation will be of sie here, that is they. तो sind आप यहाँ पे लगाओगे sind. Sind. The last one you can use either ist or sind, as sie is used for both plural form, in formal form and she form. And here it is not given in which form it is, so you can use anything, either ist or sind. Coming to this part, Malini wohnt in Indian. In this you have to complete with the names of countries and nationalities, as we already discussed in the previous page. Malini wohnt in Indian. The answer here will be what? Malini wohnt in Indian. Sie ist Inderin. 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 Next one, Herr Schauer wohnt in Deutschland. Herr Schauer is male, so he is a German. So the is dash. The answer will be Deutscher. 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 Frau Schulz wohnt in dash. Sie ist Deutsche. अगर वो कोई जर्मन बोल रहा है या वो जर्मन नेशनलिटी उनका, तो कंजुगेशन देन द नेशनलिटी इनका डॉइचे है, तो द कंट्री नेम क्या होगा इनका हियर? Germany, and we say Germany as Deutschland in German. So right here Deutschland. Next one, wir wohnen in Indian. Wir sind dash. We live in India. We are Indian, and we say Indian as Inderin. Last one, Herr und Frau Braun sind Deutsche. Herr und Frau, Mr. and Mrs. Braun are Germans. Sie kommen aus Deutschland. Deutschland. Coming to this question, complete the sentences as directed. Here is a boy and a girl. So now you have to write just the opposite. Suppose it's given as sie ist Deutsche. The answer here will be is Deutscher. Deutscher. Ich bin in der. Sie ist Inderin. Inderin. Wir kommen aus in Indian. Wir sind. Here we don't have to write anything opposite. Just you have to write the nationality. Wir kommen aus Indian. Wir sind Inderin. Inderin. And the last one, sie wohnen in Deutschland. They live in Germany. If they live in Germany, they are Germans. So sie sind Deutsche. Deutsche. Rearrange the words to form correct sentences. Here you have to arrange the sentences. So first one is sind sie intelligent. So first we will write subject. The second position will be verb. So the subject here is what? Sie. Verb is sind. Sie sind intelligent. Second one, Frau Braun dick ist. So Frau Braun ist dick. Er Deutscher nein ist. Nein, er ist Deutscher. Wohnt Indian sie in. Sie wohnt in Indian. Wir ja Japaner sind. Ja, wir sind Japaner. Now describe them using adjectives. Here there is a dog and a man. So he is a Peter. He is only 14. Oh, he is a boy. So here we have to write about them. So er heißt. Here you write Bruno. Er heißt Bruno. How is he? He is fat. Here you will write er ist dick. D-I-C-K. And if he is fat, he might be lazy also. So here you will write er ist faul. F-A-U-L. Er ist dash. Here how his age is what? 2. So er ist 2 Jahre alt. Z-W-E-I. You can only write zwei or you can write 2 Jahre alt. Z-W-E-I. 2 Jahre. J-A-H-R-E. Capital J. A-H-R-E-A-L-T. Now next one. Er heißt Peter. So write here Peter. P-E-T-E-R. How is he? Groß. So write here er ist groß. And he is slim. So write here er ist schlank. S-C-H-L-A-N-K. What is his age? 14. We say 14 as 14 in German. V-I-E-R-Z-D-H-N. Where does he live? In München. Write here München. M-U umlaut N-C-H-E-N. It's given here. And he belongs to which country? Germany. Er kommt aus Deutschland. He belongs to Germany or he comes from Germany. And if he comes from Germany, the nationality will be Deutscher since he is a male. D-E-U-T-S-C-H-E-R. Sie heißt dash. The name of the girl is Neha. So write here Neha. Sie heißt Neha. How is she? She is small. We say small as klein in German. Write here K-L-E-I-N, klein. This here, she is beautiful. So write here sie ist schön. Next, how old is she? 8 years old. So write here acht. A-C-H-T, acht or A-C-H-T, acht Jahre alt. J-A-H-R-E space A-L-T. Sie wohnt in dash. Where does she live? In Delhi. To write here Delhi. Which country she belongs to? Indian. Write here sie kommt aus Indian. And if she is an Indian, her nationality will be Indarin. To write here Indarin. I-N-D-E-R-I-N. Indarin. Next one is correct these sentences. The conjugation in these questions are wrong. You have to correct and write in these portions. Er sind Deutscher. Sorry. Er sind Inder. So the conjugation of sein with er is ist. Write here ist. I-S-T. Sie ist Deutscher. In this one, the nationality is wrong. Write here sie ist Deutscherin. D-E-U-T-S-C-H-E-R-I-N. Deutscherin. Or you can write also Deutscher. D-E-U-T-S-C-H-E. Deutscher. Ich dash Amerikaner. Ich bin Amerikaner. B-I-N. Bin. Amerikaner. Ihr sind lieb. The conjugation of sein with ihr is seid. Ihr seid. S-E-I-D. Frau Braun sind Deutsche. Frau Braun ist Deutsche. I-S-T. Now here complete the opposites. Complete with the opposites of the given adjective. Sie ist dick. Er ist. The opposite of fat is what? Slim. Schlank. We say schlank in German. SCHLANK. Er ist faul. Faul is lazy. And if someone is hardworking, so the German word for hardworking is what? Fleißig. Fleißig. Du bist dumm. Du bist dumm. You are stupid. Ich bin intelligent. Intelligent. Erika ist groß. Erika is big. Erich is klein. Klein. Now you can see here, do you know? Volkswagen, Porsche, Opel, Audi, Mercedes are famous German automobile brands. You all know this. You should know this if you're learning German.